Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Speed Baseball. Now, the bat lag position is insanely important because it is our transition before we actually release the bat to hit the ball. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over one of the most diabolical mistakes that we can make while working on this position. We're going to go over how to fix it because if we don't have this right, releasing the bat is going to be insanely hard to do. So let's make sure we got this right. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, guys, what we have to go over today is very simple, but again, it is extremely important. I had recently one of my online students was working through the Pro Speed hitting system, and we were working on the bat lag, pause, and release drills in the bat lag section. And what was happening is one of the checkpoints in the max lag position, for those of you guys who aren't familiar with the bat lag position, is that when we get into this max lag position, we want the bat to be splitting our upper shoulder when we're in this static position, when we're getting ready to work into releasing the bat. Well, the thing is what that I've seen this happen quite a bit that makes it very hard to translate into the full swing is that we're kind of getting this bat lag arbitrarily through our fingers, meaning we're kind of faking the bat lag. So what's happening here is my student was going into bat lag and he was letting go of the bat with his fingers. So his elbows and arm positions weren't changing at all. So he was just kind of letting it go. So yes, we were hitting the checkpoints, meaning the bat was through the shoulder, but we were doing it incorrectly. Guys, letting go of the bat to get lag is not lag. It is not a transition. It is a fake way to do this, and it is extremely hard to catch up when we actually go into the full swing. So what is correct? Correct is simply, guys, we maintain our grip, which is the door knocker over door knocker grip that allows our wrist to hinge back and forward freely, our most ergonomical, natural way that we can hinge and unhinge our wrist. And what we're going to do from there is we are going to keep our grip on the bat, and we are going to use our wrist hinge to get into our bat lag position, not letting go of the bat. Very important to understand. Now, a little bit extra information on this is when we're actually swinging at full speed, we're not actually putting the bat back there with our wrist. We're allowing the wrist to hinge back because of the transition. So if you guys have seen the change of direction video, when we talk about how lag is created, we create lag by change of direction. What our grip does is it allows the bat to lag. It allows my wrist to hinge down so that I'm getting into the lag position. So that's for full swing. But for purposes of this video and fixing the fault of letting go of the bat to build lag, we are going to make sure that when we're doing our lag position drills and when we're working on our swing, that we are maintaining the grip on our bat and we are letting our wrist hinge backwards to get into this lag position. Again, not letting go with our fingers. So when you guys are working on your transition position, we're going to load stride, get into our lag position, whatever we may be working on, we're going to check to make sure we're hitting our checkpoints, our max lag checkpoints, but we're also going to be checking to make sure that our hands are still on the bat and our grip is still good on the bat so that we can unhinge the wrist into the ball and release the bat. If we get into this transition properly, it at least gives us the best possible chance to get a great release so that we can hit that ball solid every single time. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it, but stay tuned. We got an even better bonus video coming up for you. We need to know that we have to have this grip on the bat to allow the wrist to hinge. In this bonus video that we're going to play a preview of at the end of this video, it's going to show you a transition drill to build lag with one simple drill so that you can get in the proper position. So make sure you couple these two videos together. You have the proper grip, we're maintaining the grip, and if you do the wall drill that we're going to play the preview of, it's going to sync you up into a beautiful transition position. You can check out that video absolutely free by clicking on the iCard that's popping up in the screen or in the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, guys. Good luck with your games, good luck with your swings, and we'll see you guys soon.
Today, I'm going to show you the #1 move that kills bat lag. But most importantly, we're going to do a drill that will instantly give you a tight transition into bat lag and have your swing looking drastically better today. The move that I'm talking about here is when we're going into our transition and the bat lays down, and now the only thing that we have to rely on for bat speed is our pure strength. From Mike Trout, he does this really, really well. You'll see as we pause him here in the max bat lag position, his barrel is really high and you can see that it's barely dipping into that line. You can imagine if this was a nail and this bat was a hammer, if I was trying to hammer this nail in like this would be kind of like me dumping the bat. But if I'm letting this hammer swing and slam into this ball over and over again, I'm going to be very, very efficient. Now, I'm sure you guys are ready for it by now. let's go ahead and dive into the wall drill. All right, guys, here we go, the wall drill.